Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge the AC in your Fiat 500. Before starting, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. It's crucial to locate the low-pressure service port on your vehicle's AC system. Also, confirm there are no leaks in the system. A leak will prevent a successful recharge and waste refrigerant. This initial check saves time and ensures a proper repair. Once you're ready, start your Fiat 500 engine and set the air conditioning to its coldest and highest fan speed. This activates the compressor, which is essential for the recharge process. Next, firmly attach the Quick Connect fitting from your AC recharge kit to the low-pressure service port. Before you begin, give the refrigerant can a good shake to ensure the contents are properly mixed and ready for use. With everything connected, begin adding the refrigerant. Squeeze the trigger on the can in short, 5 to 10-second bursts, rotating the can as you do so. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge on your kit. It's vital not to overfill the system, as this can cause damage. Stop adding refrigerant once the gauge needle settles within the manufacturer's recommended green or blue range for your vehicle. After reaching the correct pressure, quickly disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure port. Next, check the air coming from your Fiat 500 AC vents to ensure it's blowing cold. You should feel a noticeable difference in temperature. Finally, remember to dispose of the empty refrigerant properly according to local regulations. Enjoy your newly recharged and cool air conditioning, making your drives much more comfortable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.